Hello, I'm Ian, I play with drones, and here I am back in Iceland, back up at the Fagradalsfall volcano on the Reykjanes Peninsula, about 40 minutes drive south of Reykjavik, because yet again we are lucky enough to have an erupting volcano. Yes, after last year's amazing eruption cooled down in around November, about a week ago a new fissure opened up and has very quickly swamped this valley with fresh lava. You can see all the new lava here in front of you, all the black that you've got here, the fresh black. Now over here to the right you've got the volcanic lava that came down from the previous eruption last year, but down here this is all new. And this is all less than a week old, which is quite amazing. There's a lot more volume of lava being produced this time. So I'm glad I got here very quickly this time to see the eruption in full force. This is the Mini 3 Pro. Last time I was here I was flying the Mavic 2 Pro. Mini 3 Pro has more than proved itself over the last few months, so I'll be putting this up now to see what footage I can get. Anyway, let's have a look. Here he is, back safe and sound. My goodness me, what an incredible flight and what absolutely incredible views. I can't wait to get back to the hotel and check out the video on the big screen. But from what I saw, I mean, absolutely incredible. Like I said before, this is just a week old, this eruption, and it is quite incredible the amount of lava that has been pumped out in just the first week. But even just whilst we've been here, sitting here this afternoon, you can see that flow down near us, and right over in the distance there, that's all new this afternoon. There was no orange there earlier on, but all this black lava has been produced in the last week alone. So this is an incredibly active volcano that is pumping out, I believe they said 5 times the amount of magma or lava, if you like, than the previous eruption last year. So you will see this cone building very quickly over the next few weeks, I believe. But brilliant to get here so early in its little life. And like I said, can't wait to get back. I've got another 4 days here, so brilliant start to the holiday. And yeah, as ever, if you like this sort of thing, give me a little thumbs up. Always helps the cause. Till next time, have fun. Happy flying.